Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. Today I explored a charming little spot called Upham, embarking on a walk that took about 2 hours give or take. While most people from this area gravitate towards the New Forest for hiking, I fancied a change. I turned to the All Trails app and discovered this lovely little route. The weather was absolutely stunning, one of those rare, crisp, sunny days in the UK that you simply have to savour. I deliberately chose a hike with wide open spaces to make the most of the beautiful conditions. While there were a few patches of mud, the trail was mostly dry and very easy to navigate. The walk itself was quiet, with only the occasional sheep or cow for company, which made the experience even more peaceful. This was my first time taking my big camera out on a walk, so I seized the opportunity to capture as many shots as possible and experiment with new techniques. Despite the solitude, the trail was clearly well trodden, marked with signs, gates and a distinct path. Descending this particularly muddy hill proved a bit tricky. Many times I nearly fell on my arse. Walking back and forth to set up shots added a few extra kilometers to my route, but I didn't mind. Despite the cold, the stunning blue sky and the sun's warmth made the cold air feel surprisingly pleasant. At times it felt like I was meandering through farmers' fields, some of which appeared freshly ploughed, though I admit I'm not entirely sure what farmers actually do with that land. I don't even know if the land was ploughed. I don't even know what I'm looking at. Walking back and forth to set up shots added a few extra Ks to my route, but I didn't mind. Along the way I saw a girl riding a horse, probably a Christmas present. It reminded me of the time when a horse jumped through my car window, a story that my father still refuses to believe to this day. Having the trail entirely to myself was a real treat, allowing me the freedom to plan shots without feeling self-conscious. One challenge I often face when filming is the awkwardness of working in public, where I can't help but feel judged. This is my first attempt ever to take my Sony camera out on a hike, and I must be honest, it's a pain in the arse. So far, I'm like a third way around this 2-hour hike, and I've already been out an hour and 15 minutes. Yeah, when you have to plan shots and stuff like that, it just takes up too much time. But so far I'm enjoying it. Let's see what comes out at the end. I must be honest, this is a really, really nice trail. It's not strenuous at all. There's no road, so it's all paths, so you can just let your dogs run wild. Like, it's quiet, there's not many people here at all, which, if you know me, that's what I like. And considering we've had some shit weather recently, it's not that muddy. I just have my Nike trainers on and they're completely fine. Just took the wrong road again. I'm finding it really difficult to concentrate on enjoying myself, reading the map, and planning some good shots. It seems like it's really difficult to do all three, you know? Bastard's not even talking to me. Eventually the trail led back onto a road where a group of cyclists sped past me. After a morning of intense cardio, I was admittedly quite knackered, so it was a relief to be on flat ground again. Hello beautiful, how are you? Oh, look at you, pretty one you. So I'm still not convinced you can make like a professional travel video and enjoy yourself at the same time. I think it's really, really tough to do both. The final stretch of the walk coincided with a breathtaking sunset. Absolutely beautiful. It still felt like I was walking through someone's private field, but the scenery more than made up for it. Anyway, if you have any questions about the walk, feel free to leave a comment, and if you have any recommendations for other great walks in the Hampshire area, I'd love to hear them. Jesus Christ, just before getting back to the car, I wasn't expecting this hill. It's a little bit steep, which it doesn't actually look like on the camera, which is typical. Yeah, I'm blowing up my arse, yeah. And we're back. Finally. My God, I'm a bit tired now after that little hill run. So all in all, it's a nice little walk, yeah. A good 8 out of 10, I reckon. Yeah. Anyway, see you next time. Maybe or maybe not with my camera. Who knows? Cheers. Bye-bye.